In this video, I will show you how to create a System.io account. Now this is actually fairly simple. What you want to go and do first is head over to System.io's website. You can also click on the link down in the description and that will take you to this page right here. Now step number one is to simply enter your email address in this box. After doing that, click on click here, and as you can see it's free forever and you don't need to enter any credit card details, so anyone can sign up. Just gonna click on the click here button, then it will ask do you already have a business? So I'll say no, I'm just getting started. Then what is your annual revenue? I'm getting started, so I'll say less than $1,000. Then it will again ask for your email address, so enter that here and click submit. Now from there, they will send you an email. So if you use Gmail, click open Gmail, or if you use Outlook, click open Outlook. Basically, you just go to your inbox. You will then get an email from System.io that looks something like this. Just click here to confirm your email address. And now you can create your account by filling in these details. So first name, your last name, and then your password. You want to go and enter that twice. Then tick the box that says I'm not a robot and click on save. Then from there, it's going to redirect you. Now I recommend just saving your password and you will then be in your dashboard. You can now start using System.io. Now, if you want a full tutorial on how to get started, I'll link one down in the description, and in that video, I'll explain exactly how System.io works and go over every single feature you need to know about. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.